I'm ready. The business analytics program in our college, basically our objective is we want to have the student to have the analytics skills apply to all the business domains. So for us, our program has several unique features here. The first unique feature is business integration. So that means students do not only receive the broad analytics skills, but also in-depth training for analytics in the specific business domain. The faculty that teaching in business analytics program are all very top level. So they are excellent in teaching. They also provide a very high standard in research, high standard publication in research. And also they have extensive experience in industries. For our business analytics programs, we also provide a certificate, which is called Accounting and Financial Analytics Advanced Certificate. And of course, this program is STEM program, so that is good for international students. We have 10 courses consisting of 7 required courses and 3 elective courses. So among the 7 required courses, we have the general analytics courses and also advanced analytics course. And we also offer the statistic courses. And then we also offer the discipline-focused analytics course. And then we have the capstone course. And for the 3 elective courses, basically we just want to give the student the options that they can choose the courses which actually can fit their career or can help them to achieve their career goal. First of all, our curriculum design will always try to make the curriculum design adapt to the industry need. So we constantly get the feedback from our advisory board. We talk to the industry to understand what is their demand, what is their need. And also for the class project, every courses they have the class project. And lots of class projects actually they use the real company data. So students actually in the class, they already have the experience to dealing with the real examples. And also the students have the opportunity to do the research work with the faculties. And the faculty, lots of faculties research work, they actually use the company's real data to work on this project as well. And also students have the opportunity to do the co-op during the program. Graduates, they really can find a job in any industry. As long as the industry they want the students have the analytic skills. So we have graduates, they end up with the big companies like Amazon, TikTok, Intel, etc. We also have students, they actually end up with start up their own business with analytic skills that they learned from the program. And also we have the students, they actually stay in the same company, but was promoted to a higher level of the position because now they have much stronger analytic skills. We want the student to have the motivation to learn the new things. Because for the analytics field, we always talk about the new technology, new applications, new phenomena, right? So for example, ChatGPT did not appear in our curriculum 2 years ago, but now we talk about it, right? Blockchain technology probably not in our curriculum 5 years ago, but then we're building it. So it's always about the new phenomenon. So I think as long as the students, they have the high motivation to learn the new things and they have the high motivation to learn about the analytic skills, that is a place for them. And they are always welcome, and we are here to help them to achieve the goal.